At Marcusson, we are specialists. We focus on high quality, reliability, and easy operation as we produce some of the best machines in the world for grinding chains and sharpening saw blades. The Marcusson product line is built to meet the tough standards of forestry cutting and harvesting. The machines are easy to transport, mount, and set up. Our grinders operate on both 12 and 230 volts, which means they work perfectly in the workshop as well as out in the field. The machines are fully adjustable in accordance with the size of the cutting link and the length of the saw chains. It takes only a few manual adjustments, and then the grinder will operate all by itself. Thanks to a very efficient construction with few moving parts, our grinding machines require a minimum of maintenance. On top of that, there is no need for water cooling, which further simplifies operation. The Marcusson Triple-Matic is unique in the marketplace, in as much as it grinds all three surfaces of the cutting link in one movement. Additionally, it grinds the bottom, which gives the chain more chip space, greatly improving cutting quality in the felling operation. Our grinders can cut up to 4 mm per tooth and can easily be adjusted to cut as is required. This without any color change of the cutting link or loss of the hardening quality. On the digital counter, you easily dial in the number of cutting links of the saw chain. Then you simply start the grinder and it will automatically stop when the selected number of cutting links are grinded and ready to use. As a standard feature on the Marcusson Triple-Matic, you will today find our patented air-controlled chain tensioner. It automatically stretches the chain to avoid unnecessary time-consuming manual handling. The chain tensioner is also available as optional extra equipment to all grinders in the Marcusson product line. Marcusson Professional Grinders have been supplying our customers first-class grinders since 1987. We are constantly developing and improving our product line in order to be able to offer the best grinding machines on the market.